Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's D7 here at Grok Trade, and it is good to be back. If you notice, I told my hairstylist, whatever, I said I want my hair to stick up a little bit, cut it short, and that's exactly what she did. Anyway, this video is good through. What is today? Today is Wednesday, hump day, February 28th, 2018. Man, it's all a blur. I was in Vegas. Great meeting up with everybody. I'm going to be in Florida in March. You can go to Grok Trade to check it out. If you want to do a meet and greet, I would love to have coffee with you. It'd be wonderful. I love meeting people who are my followers. So cool. Let's do this. Markets in big time bearish territory. Big. We're down a lot, more than 1%. Huge drops here, man. Huge drops. Down at 1.5% on the diamonds. The small caps down 1.5%. Nearly the same on financials. The dollar up. Crude oil down 2.2%. VIX increasing by 7%. Bitcoin slightly higher. We got a lot to look at. We just closed out the month. February is over, gang. That's what we got looking at this month. Look up here at the Spider Monthly. Oh, and before I do, Mark the Meerkat, you're the man. Thank you for coming in and doing videos for me. He is a rock star trader. If you are a day trader and you're not yet in his trading room, you are missing out, my friends. Okay, but check this out. The monthly chart, monthly. We go down. This was just crucial to me. We go up, and close right above a major area of support. If we close lower in that line, this was big time sell territory going into March. Big time. I am not saying that yet. Now, I do have sell signals going on all the dailies. You'll see that. But I think it's going to be short-lived. And I think we have a good chance of still going higher in this market. This, my friends, was a crucial day today. I just cannot stress this enough. And for you guys that don't like the energy and there's too much emotion for you, turn down the volume. You'll be just fine. But check this out. Okay, let's go to the daily chart on the S&P 500. Let's do that. Let's take a look here. Look how we have a lower swing low. Yesterday we have a sell put on this. We did drop. We go down. We're caught up in the moving averages. We do have a trend line. Look at this. We have a big symmetrical triangle now on this the S&P 500, the spider. That's the ETF on the S&P 500. Very powerful formation. Look for this to drop and bounce around in here. For the next few weeks, guys, I could see us just hanging around in here. Right now it's a sell. Look for that to drop. But the chances are it's going to stay in this area. We came up, hit the 76.4 Fibonacci. Let me clean it up a little bit. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of this line. There's a few lines I will get rid of. We got a nice triangle here. Looks very nice. This is dropping. I could foresee this getting way down here to about the 260 mark. We're at 271 now. I could see that happening. But overall, I think we're going to keep going higher. But I would not be looking to buy at this moment. If you go here to the diamonds, go there. We got a sell on it. We're dropping. I'm going to get rid of this line now. Down. We go up, almost to 76 point. I'm going to get rid of this. This is going to be another bring this down right there. Look at this. Another symmetrical triangle. We did get a close below the moving averages here. Look for that to continue south here. That's the diamonds. The NASDAQ, let me get rid of that. We have a line. We stopped at that line, but I think that the NASDAQ, I mean, we just have a big triangle. Big triangle. Look for that to continue down. I don't think this little level of support that we have is going to last very long, if you ask me. Financials, we got a big drop here. I'm going to get rid of this. Again, we're going to have a big symmetrical triangle. Big symmetrical triangle. And it's something like that. There it is. Boom. It's down below all major moving averages except the 200. So that's what we're looking at here. Look for this to chop around inside this for the next week or two. It could do that. Financials. I'm going to get rid of a couple lines. We just don't need them anymore. We just don't need them. And actually, I could draw 2 new lines here. Let's see what those look like. If I go from here to there and here to there, there's our triangle. So all the major markets, including the financials, are in big time symmetrical triangles. This one is, the financials are X% more bullish than the rest of the indices because we are above most moving averages. Do you see that? We're above them. Everybody else, we're below them. So it just shows a little bit of relative strength on the financials compared to the others. US dollar, we're up, and it's looking really quite bullish, but we're at a resistance point, that coming across here, but we did cross over past the 50. I'm going to get rid of this, clean it up a little bit. We got a couple areas of resistance here. Let's see what happens with the US dollar, but this is called a double bottom. That's your W for winner. This is a reversal pattern. Look for this to only start going higher. US dollar should only go more bullish. Crude oil has a big symmetrical triangle. We drop down. Let me get rid of that. Clean it up just ever so slightly. Those lines. There it is. Look at the big symmetrical triangle. Really don't even need that one anymore. That's what we're looking at. Down below, moving averages. Look for this to find support and bounce around. I think within just a few days, we're going to get a breakout. We're in the apex. Look for a major pop to the upside or a major drop to the downside. Gold. We had this little triangle going. Remember that, guys? And then we finally broke down. And so we're down. We're near an area of support. Let's see if it stays as support. This could start bouncing around here, but it's in a huge symmetrical triangle if you just look at the blue lines. Silver, got a sell on that. We did break down. We're still going down, actually. Big symmetrical triangle. See this? Just look for this to get crazy squirrely inside these 2 lines. As long as it's within these 2 lines, it's hard to be wanting to play this. It needs to break out above or break down below. That's what we are after. VIX, have a buy on that. VIX looks like it's going to start going higher, guys, at least if we're throughout the rest of this week. Let's see if that happens for you guys who trade Bitcoin. We go higher. We pull back a little bit up. Still bullish on Bitcoin. But it has a lot of resistance to get over. It needs to break out over these lines for it to stay true. So, hey, anyway, if you hate my hair, tell me. Say, I hate the hair sticking up. If you don't mind it, because my wife at first hated it, and then she says, it's not too bad. It's kind of got that bad boy look. But anyway, I came back from Vegas, did a conference there, met a lot of people. Really good time. And yeah, looking forward to going to Florida. I was invited to a gala this weekend in Hollywood, be star-studded with celebrities, and I could not make it happen. And that would have been my first red carpet experience. Could not make that happen. But I will be going to Florida. I will be in the Naples and then Tampa Bay area, and so hopefully, I forget what the date is exactly, March 15th or 25th or something. It's at groktrade.com. Oh, if you guys have an interest of us mentoring you and you want to do that, that number right there is a cell number, and it's mine. If you want a little more information, text me your email, your name and email, and I'll send you out some information just about what our mentorship is. We have one coming up every month. We do one, and it might be something of interest to you. Let's make 2018 a killer year. I mean, let's take the market by the horns. Let's do something special. That's what we're doing. All right, man. You guys have a good one. We'll talk to you later. Bye.